Today, we're introducing the LifeVac Home Kit, a revolutionary portable suction rescue device designed to be a vital part of your first aid kit for both kids and adults. This comprehensive kit includes a LifeVac suction device with a patented one-way valve, a pediatric mask, an adult mask, a practice mask, and detailed instructions, ensuring you're prepared for any airway obstruction emergency. The LifeVac is non-invasive and easy to use, even if you're alone, thanks to its special air vents and ergonomically designed plunger that maximize suction power and ensure a perfect fit for all ages. With no prescription required, this device is a safe and effective life-saving tool that can be used in emergencies or special situations, offering peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Plus, the LifeVac device never expires, only needing replacement if used to save a life, although it's recommended to check and possibly replace the masks every 2 to 3 years. Be proactive and equip yourself with the LifeVac Home Kit, a simple yet powerful solution to protect against airway obstructions. Stay safe and prepared with this essential addition to your emergency readiness plan. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.